Hello YouTube friends, just want to give you a quick update on the wheel installation for this snare launcher. So I just got done pretty much with most of it. I put a single pivot point right here with a nylon lock washer on the inside, if you can see that. It allows me to tighten it up, but not too tight where it can't move. I got a locking pin here and on the other side, and that keeps the wheels in the up position, as you see, off the ground. So at the beach, this will be in the sand, and I could angle the launcher up like this so the wheels don't get in the way. So all I have to do here is pull the pin on both sides, and now it's hard to record while I'm doing this with one hand here. So now this guy, wheels are down for towing. I can put my locking pin back in. Okay. On both sides. Got hardware falling everywhere. And then I also made an extra little pinhole here, just as a little extra security. And if my pins ever get lost on the end of the wheel here, I got a spare one built in. And now this is locked in place. So I got a nice wide base. Something else I didn't mention is I found this very strong fiberglass poly tube that fit the shaft perfectly. So what I did is I cut spacers because there is nothing to prevent the wheels from moving in all over the place. So now with these spacers, 3 spacers, those wheels will not slide back and forth. I also added an extra pin there and there to hold all of that assembly in place, so I can take the wheels off if I need to, if there is any reason to, and none of that stuff will come apart. So that's pretty much it. You can see it's a pretty sweet setup. It's really strong and durable. And now I just got to work on installing a handle here and a handle right here. I got the metal plate here, and I'm going to put a metal plate on the opposite side and then put the handle going through it. The handles right now are getting they're drying that after I dipped them in some rubber, liquid rubber, so they'll be nice and comfortable when you grab it. But I wanted to put a low grip point here and an upper grip point here, just to make it easier if we have to carry it down a hill or lifting it into the car, that kind of thing. So that's about it. That's where we're at. We're super close to being done with the whole unit. And let's see. That's pretty much it. All right. Have a good night.